Hi, Dave Deeds here, living in Barker's Landing on the west side of Houston. We've had critters in the roof. I think they're squirrels, and got in the mail last week one of the ads from Air Quality Express that says they solve those problems, they'll plug the holes. Called him, and Ron came out this morning. He inspected the attic. He found a couple of small holes. He plugged them from the inside. Then he went up on the roof and checked it from the outside. He went to where those holes were, and he filled more foam into the holes from the outside. So I think we should be in great shape from now on. Really appreciated the service. It was quick and good.